Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. If you are new here, hi, my name is Sarah. Well, you probably couldn't tell that. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials, as I guess you could kind of say that this is, and a little bit of DIY in between. For today's video, as you probably can tell by the title, if not what you kind of see on my face right now, I decided that I wanted to attempt drag makeup. It's kind of intense. Little bit. The idea for this video came to be because I was inspired by Atlee here on YouTube. She did the video based on the trend that was going around YouTube. I tried following Blank's tutorial, only she did it from a drag queen, which was a little bit off from what everybody else was doing, but I thought it was a cool idea to try to like recreate a drag queen's makeup, especially because it's so out there. It's stage makeup, right? This is my recreation of a drag makeup queen named Chachki, I believe is what her name is called. I'm not completely certain on that, so don't drag me in the comments. Again, no pun intended. But this is it. Black wig and all. I kind of wanted to look a little bit like her in the end because the makeup didn't really take off like I wanted it to. This makeup intensely reminds me of like burlesque or even kind of Cruella de Vil. I got the Cruella de Vil vibes going on. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so as you can tell with my voice, I am just getting over being sick, but I wanted to film this anyways because I was very inspired by Atlee here on YouTube. So I will post up my reference picture right now of what I actually want this look to turn into. We'll see how that goes because I've never in my life done drag makeup. Now, watching Atlee's video, I did notice that she glued down her brows to make them basically go away because for drag makeup, you want your eyebrows to be like up here basically instead of where they actually are. So I'm going to start off with the glue stick method because I have no idea how this is going to translate into actually having eyebrows up here rather than where they actually are. So I will just be doing that and I will be right back. For those of you who say that eyebrows don't matter, they matter. Next up, to prime my eyes as usual, I'm coming out the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Only I'm going to be bringing this way up. Some on my eyebrows. I can't even look surprised. Alright, now that I look devastatingly horrifying, perhaps I should move on to eyebrows. Now this may take me a while and there may be a lot of mistakes along the way. This may be the reason I give up with the video because I'm very bad at actually drawing on eyebrows, on my own eyebrows that I usually have. This is going to be one for the books. And I'm going to be using eyeliner for this. Am I the only one that doesn't think this looks genuinely that bad? I mean, it's bad, but like that bad? Since this took me so long, I'm just going to do the other one off camera because, God, this took so long. Alright, so brows are done. This is as close as I'm going to get to the picture or each other, otherwise I'm going to go crazy trying to actually make these presentable. Let's move on with the eyeshadow. I don't know how they do this every single day. I'm having such a hard time blending it in to my eyebrow, which sounds so weird. I just want to say that I'm genuinely doing the best that I can right now, and it's still just absolutely tragic. Like, can you guys see that? It's straight up coming off. The glue, I mean. Girl, how do you do this? This is really not the part that I thought would give me most trouble, you know? Not gonna lie, this is a lot easier to do when I'm actually doing it in my crease because there's actually a line or like a placement to follow. This takes talent, that of which I do not have. Let's just try to move on to the next eye because this really isn't going the way I planned at all. See if the other eye will make it any better. Why? Let's try some translucent powder. Maybe that'll work out better. Because all it's doing is just staying in one formation and then getting on my eyebrows. There is no like middle ground there. It only goes where I first place it. It won't blend out. Kind of like what everybody said about the Subculture palette. So it's just really messing up in two different places. Here it's just like not attaching itself whatsoever to my brow, and this it's only attaching to my eyebrow. Oh, so the only thing I'm really finding that works with the actual blending process of it on my eyebrows is literally using my fingers to blend and push the eyeshadows into my eyebrows. Which shouldn't be a thing, but here we are. Picking up an eyeshadow, putting my finger in it, and pushing it on. You know, maybe it's just that my eyebrows don't like eyeshadow, which eyebrows shouldn't really like eyeshadow. Eyebrows should like eyebrow pomades, etc. But I'm still trying here. I hope this works out. Do you guys see that? I literally just push the pigment onto that, spread it like this, and it just disappears. It's like freaking Houdini over here. I can only spread it with my fingers, and then essentially disappears. What? It's at this point usually that YouTubers would say, oh, it looks better on camera, but I'm really not sure that it does here. Like, there's a clear line right there, and I don't know how to get rid of that. Alright, so I'm going to say that I used up enough eyeshadow so far on what I've done so far. So now I'm going to, I guess, cut the crease, because it's not going to actually be my crease, but we're going to give this a try. Looks like she did it probably up to about here. She did it up to there, so I'm going to do it up to there. And then it just goes out. Cannot for the life of me see where it actually ends, so I'm just going to end it approximately here. And then tie it back around. And then just packing white all over the lid. I'm thinking this maybe even goes out a little bit further. I'm taking this out a little bit further because I don't think any drag queen in the world has the specialty of being subtle. And probably a little bit because I'm not happy with what I have already. So why not make myself less happy? Alright, so clearly I'm not done yet, but I did try to make this eye kind of look a little bit more drag chic, so I'm going to continue on this eye and actually show you guys what I did. With a black eyeliner, I'm just going to be putting that on my bottom waterline and a little bit down so I can use it as almost a base to diffuse out. Now I'm taking a little bit of Expensive on a packing brush and just dragging that down and putting it on the base that I just laid down. Now I'm actually going back to my lid. She seems to be wearing almost kind of like a glitter on her eyes. I'm just going to use one of the ColourPop Supernova shadows and then top it off with a glitter. Literally all over my eye. I don't even have to worry about it getting anywhere else because it literally just goes up so far it won't get on anything else. And now glitter. Going to focus this mostly into the inner corner and disperse out slightly. And the other side. Also going with a small pencil brush to kind of outline this to make the edge look more intense. As if it needed that. The time for the lash fight is upon us again. Let's see how it goes this time. Is it weird that I'm like genuinely concerned about this? Like, chill bitch, it's just lashes, but like, Atlee was smart enough to choose a look that the lashes were actually on the eyelids. Me, not so much. Going better than the last time I used these. No, Fluff, you're ruining everything. Oh, that was a big fluff. That went so much better than last time. Okay, let's give this a try. Attempt number 1. Did that actually work? This is never gonna work again, ever. Oh my god, that actually worked. Jeez, that looks nice. Damn, that looks pretty good for an attempt. Let's try this again, and it's totally not gonna work out this time around. I'm still in actual awe that that worked out the first time. Like, it's the little things in life, you know? Now if only the rest of the look actually worked out that good. Oh, don't mess up now. Don't mess up now. Oh, totally messed up now. Yep, it was a fluke. Probably would have helped if I put on some mascara, but too late now. We're going with it. Let's continue with a little bit of mascara then. Maybe it'll look a little bit better. Though it would be hard to look worse at this point. Fluff with my mascara. Okay, found it. The next few steps seems to be to put on some eyeliner and then some lipstick, as if we don't already have enough eyeliner on our face. I picked this picture because I thought it looked really pretty, but now I'm just realizing that it's really difficult to follow anything because half of it's covered, but we're still going for it. Going to assume it's a wing, even though I probably shouldn't assume because I suck at wings anyways. Now that my eyeliner's on, I'm actually going to add a beauty mark because she has one and I think it's cute. Now for some lipstick. Now for a little hair job. Call me crazy, but I look like a completely different person. I had one more thing. Little color.